Welcome to the another video from Simple Networking. In this video, we are going to see how to set and reset the theme in Google Chrome in laptop. So go to Google Chrome, go to next page, click customize option. So I will explain how to what are the ways to set the Google Chrome themes. Okay, so this is one way. So just click customize themes. Okay, so we have some default Chromes, like not the one, it's like a plain Google Chrome themes. So that is one way we can choose. Okay, so other way, like click change themes. In these themes we have Asia Pacific, color themes, Native America. So what are the themes is landscape is there. Okay, so once we click refresh daily. So if you keep this one, if you select these themes, okay, what happen, on every day themes will be changed on every day, like one day this theme, other day this theme. So like this it will be changed. This is one method. The another that this other way is like to upload an image from the browser. Like if you want to keep something from your laptop, that image you want to keep, or our image, our own image we want to keep in the Google Chrome, this is the option. So upload an image, browse the file, click. Once it is browse the file, click open. That file will shown in the background. Okay, so this is one method. Another method is very simple. Go to Google Chrome, type Google Chrome theme, click chrome.google. So once it is open, right, so here also we have themes. Okay, so if you want to go themes, and if you want to search from the search the store, we can search like black and white, background, what are the themes we want. And if you want to choose the theme, click add Chrome. Okay, so once it is added, the file will be downloaded and it will be added into the Chrome. In the next page we can see how the appearance is there. This appearances feel comfortable or feel good, we can keep it as it is. If not, if you want to roll back, just go back to the screen, click undo. So it will be roll back to the. Now I'm going to explain reset to classic Chrome. Okay, so simple, same way. So click here. Okay, click next page. Once you click next page, click customize this page, open, scroll down, click reset to this classic Chrome. Once we click it, right, so the default Google Chrome will be appear. So I hope this video will help you how to reset or how to set the Google Chrome themes in Google Chrome. If you like this videos, please click like. If you have any doubts, please write it into the comments. Thank you for watching.